Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to install this completely free app from this developer and open it. Over here, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Now just I accept and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and click Home button. As you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!